Tired of losing important notes in OneNote? Tags let you find anything in seconds. Here's how to use them like a pro. We'll cover applying tags, searching them, and creating custom ones. Let's start with the basics. The most common thing you'll want to do is tag a line of text. So place your cursor anywhere on that line, or highlight a few lines if you want to tag a whole block. Then head over to the Home tab up top. You'll see a section labeled Tags. Click that drop-down and you'll see a whole list of options like To Do, Important, Question, and more. Just pick one and it's applied. Now if you want to speed things up, there are keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+1 through 9 will apply your 9 most used tags. For example, Ctrl+1 is the default for a To-Do checkbox. So instead of clicking around, you can just hit Ctrl+1 and bam, it's tagged. It's a huge time saver once you get used to it. Mistakes happen. If you tag something by accident or change your mind, removing a tag is just as easy. Click the tag text again, then click the same tag icon in the Home tab. Or use the shortcut Ctrl+0. That 0 will strip the tag right off. Simple. Now let's find all those tags. On the Home tab, in the same Tags group, click the button that says Find Tags. A panel called Tag Summary will open up on the right side of your screen. This is your command center. You can see every single tagged note from your entire notebook listed right there. And here's where it gets really powerful. You can group those results. Click the drop-down at the top of the Tag Summary pane and choose to sort by tag name, date, section, or title. So if you want to see all your important tags grouped together, or all the tags you added today, you can do that instantly. Then just click on any item in that list. One click and it takes you directly to that exact note in your notebook. No more scrolling around trying to remember where you put something. What if the default tags don't quite fit what you need? No problem. Go back to the Home tab. Click that Tags drop-down again, and at the very bottom, select Customize Tags. A new window opens. Click New Tag. Give it a display name. Pick an icon that makes sense, and choose a font color or highlight color. I personally looked up Microsoft's official support articles and a bunch of YouTube tutorials to make sure I was getting this right, and this is the cleanest way to do it. Click OK, and your new tag is saved. Now your custom tag will show up right in the drop-down list, ready to use. I'm telling you, once you start tagging your notes and using that tag summary pane, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Your notebook goes from a chaotic mess to something you can actually search and navigate in seconds. Give it a try and watch your productivity jump.